Kromzari, Sktv'S News po yung biriba pumdamak po luching binataram na ukchari, ahan bada maroy bapaw. State Kitakta Kargil Vijay Divas Thoram Pangthokray Manipur Mahusagi Punsi Hanjinava Security Force amadi CSO Singna punna thabak tawri haina Governor A.K. Valana hairi. Manipur ki rangda Prime Minister Modi na state asida khongdadabagi mathakta ratan thiam na leikidabada wafum amada phongdoktaba haiba asi Manipur gi miyambu ikaiba pibani haina Congress ki luchingba Jairam Ramesh ta phongdurakle. Amasung yamlaba nongmai maru yauna khusu kulai kaya fagat pangamkhre Manipur ing tappa puraknaba security force na makhata na tibuhumagi thabak sa thakigani haina IGP ke kabip na phongdokre. Hauzik pau sandung na pizari. Kumza lising mga chamapan marifutara mapan gi Kargil warda lepak ki damak thawai katokrawa India gi land missing da ikai khumnabo utpa Kargil Vijay Divas ki thoram Manipur da sunga si street ki thakta pangthokre. Pakistan Army ki bomb attack da chahi asigi me tara mathoi da thawai thakiba Manipur da ki BSF ki taret suba battalion ki constable Deepak Chinga khamgi thauna lingjel na hauna na ningsingkhre. Palace compound da leiba Manipur State Film Development Society MSFTS ki holda pangthokpa thoramadu da Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Vala amadi DGP Rajiv Kumar na maroiba mitunglen singoi na saruk yake. Manipur lenga ke civil amadi police ki makok thongba official kya su saruk yake. National anthem saktuna hodokhiba thoramadu da Governor Ajay Kumar Vala na mahaki warol thamladuna hai leipaga sigi apunba gi saktam ngak na bahot na bada yeknaba singi lantheng da thawai thakraba lanmi sing tungi mirol na adumak ningsing duna lehauragani. Chai sigi me tareta Pakistan sponsor tauba terrorism ki thawongda Jammu and Kashmir ki Pahalgam da terrorist Micham Singh kaya hat kiba madi asok apan nanghan kiba dugi matik jaba paukhom pibo ina chathakiba Operation Sindoor da Pakistan amadi Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK gi mafam singda leiba terrorist ki infrastructure mapan thugai ke masimak na India asi terrorism ki mayokta lepa leibak amani haiba mayek singna takle hai. Governor na makhatara duna state asi mahusagi ing tappa amadi mara chetpa punsirol da hanjilakna na state police central armed force amadi civil society organization singna punna thabak tawri haike.
In the ethnic violence in the state of Manipur, many have lost their lives and thousands have been internally displaced. The government has taken various steps to solve the crisis and restoring peace and confidence. The joint operation of combined team of state police, armed forces has been able to recover numerous arms and ammunitions over the past few months. The state has been returning to peace and normalcy with the collaborative efforts of the government, armed forces, and civil society organizations. Numerous insurgents involved in extortion, including cyber-facilitated schemes and funding militia groups, have been arrested during an intensified crackdown in recent months. Manipur Police has launched an anti-extortion cell and confidential helpline, bringing together state police, CAPFs, Assam Rifles and Army personnel to streamline complaints and protect citizens from unlawful demands. Multiple checkpoints have been strategically established across the hill and valley districts on the national highways to ensure essential supply of vehicles, supply of food and medicines.
Maduna saruk yakiba Manipur gi DGP Rajiv Singh na hai lamnamasi da law and order ngaknaba state police amadi central armed force ki apunma operation da jinga masung tampak ki mafam kaya da lo na yadana pairamba kusukulai nongmai maru vom amadi atri polam kaya fagat pangamle Indo Myanmar border da changshilakpa illegal immigrants sing Khandokpagi thabak so special task force semduna akan mamong da chathari haike lamdam asigi naha singna hingsa thadokuna Manipur amadi India gi yaifa khongthang da saruk yamina si haina sumiyam da appeal tauki.
Manipur has a proud legacy of contributing brave sons and daughters to the armed forces and police. Their martial spirit is alive today in our collective efforts to preserve peace and order. Over the past few months, in the face of great adversity, Manipur Police, along with Central Armed Forces and sister agencies, has undertaken a series of determined operations to restore law and order. These efforts have resulted into the recovery of thousands of looted arms and large quantities of ammunition and explosives from both hill and valley districts. I appeal to the youth of Manipur to reject violence and dedicate themselves to the service of the state and the nation. Your energy, discipline, unity are vital for building a peaceful and a progressive future. I also take this opportunity to thank the people of Manipur for their patience, resilience, and continued cooperation with the law enforcement agencies.
Kumza lising ama chamapan marifutara mapangi India amari Pakistan lepakani marakta sokna khiba Kargil landa lepaki damak thawai na pontha pi khraba thawa singi mafamda ikai khumna butuna ngasi lepak simba thungna kuntaruk suba Kargil Vijay Divas thoram pangthoknari Thormasiga mari lendana ngasi Union Defence Minister Rajnath Luchingtuna New Delhi da leva National War Memorial da leisuka tuna leikiraba Security Force ki personal singi mafamda ikai khumna but kray Ikai Kumnabut Paduda, Defense Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh, Chief of Defense Staff General Anil Chauhan, Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of Air Staff Chief Marshal AP Singh, amasung Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi su sarukyaki. Amoromda Kargil ki drasta ngasi ayuk angan bada Kargil ki lanfamda thawai thakraba singi mung manung yauna pangthokpa thoram amada Union Minister Mansukh Madavia amasung Defense ki Union Minister of State Sanjay State na laikhidrawa tawba Security Force ki personal singi mafamda leisu katuna ikai khumna botke loinana mafam adu ki luchingba madi mairoi singa loinana athawba singbo ningsingduna pangthokpa padyatra amada saruk yakhe amoromda hauze Maldives sa leiriba Prime Minister Narendra Modi nasu ma ki social media account X ngasi gi numit asiga mari leinana miyamda pauzal kaya pirakle District Administration Chandel na Mera Yuva Varat Chandel kapuna kusham na duna Chandel District tasunga si Kargil Vijay Divas lisingani kun mga gipalan thoram pangthokray Chandel Disi ki conference hall da pangthokhiba nga si thoram aduda Kargil gi lanfamda leipaki damak thawai kat khraba ahan bandaga regiment ki personal Chandel District ki Haikru Tampakta ki Nicholas Moyon amadi Kutharda NG Beningbir Moyon gi imung manungda District Administration Chandel gi maikeri achamba khudol tamke Thoram aduga mari leindana Chandel ki ADM MD Firoz Khan na haikibada kumja lising ma chamapan mari futara mapan gi Kargil landa Chandel district ki thauna phaba mioi anina imalepa ki damak thawai katkibabu district asigi mipum khudingmak naning singduna pukning thogatfam to e district asida su khana chainaba yengthinaba lehandana santi leiba district ma oihansi haike ngasigi thoram aduda Chandel ki additional SP Nipan Suba Manipur Rifles ki Commandant W Jadumani DFO Dr N Munal ASDC Singh yauna DLO Singsu sarukyake Manipur ki tha kun taruk fazilaklaba irang asida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Manipur da chatnabaki matam ngasi fauba leitabaga loinana malemna sakhangnarwa India ki afauba cultural personality Ratan Thiam na leikidabada faubada awaba fongdok namba matam leitri haida Indian National Congress ki luchingba Jairam Ramesh na fongdora clay luchingba sina maha ki social media X account da fongdorakpagi matung ina haukiba kumja lising ani kulhumdoi gi me ahumdagi Manipur da thokliba irang asina maram oiraga miyamna khamthingna awaba amadi khudongcha da kaya mayoknari adomoinamak Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Manipur da chatnama matam fangdabata natana chat haukiba tha kun taruk asida Prime Minister ni state asidagi political party ki luchingba amataga unakhitabaga loinana lamdam asigi civil society organization amataga su unadri Theater ki lamda lauramba thaudangi damak malemna masak khangnaraba India ki sophawba misaka moiriba Ratan Thiamna Imphal la laikidabada Manipur pumbana mahakpo ikai khumnabu lakle adomoinamak laibak thibadi afawba misak asina laikidabada Prime Minister na mahaki social media X oirabasu wafam amata fongdoraktana leire Prime Minister ki mong asi mahaki Manipur ki matangda khanba watpagi khudamda natana Manipur miyambu ikaiba pibani haina fongdorakle Tampaki District Mangagi tongan ba mafong kayadagi ngasi ayuk angan bada street amadi Central Force na Operation Chathabada yamlaba kusukulay kya fagat pangamkre haina Manipur Police ki IGP John 2 ke Kabib na fongdora clay Babupurada Labor Police Headquarter ngasi pangthokhiba paw ki mifam ama mahakna makhatara duna ngasi chatakhiba operation aduda kulai marifutara fangbangam khibaga loinana nongmai maru chatrit ka kuni panchu fangbangam ke haina su fongduke Manipurda muhanna ingtappa purak pangamnanaba miyamgi punsi amadi lanthum ngak senanaba thiba humbagi thabak makhatana chatharikigani miyamna illegal arms ka mari leinaba paw leirabadi manak nakpa police station natraga Central Command Room da paw pibiu amadi police amasung security force singda cooperate tobiu masina Manipurda ingtappa purak pangamgani haina appeal tawrakle
In another significant step towards restoring peace and security in Manipur, many operations were conducted in the early hours of 26 July 2025 by security forces in the various districts acting on specific intelligence about a large cache of arms, ammunition and warlike materials concealed at various locations. Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the peripheral and suspected areas of these various districts. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order and safeguard the lives and properties of citizens. The Manipur police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with the Manipur police and security forces and to promptly report any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms to the nearest police station or to the control rooms.
Lambida pot puthok pusindoriba gari gi mapusingna kuki singidmak pot puramlavadi akan mathabak lokhat pagaloina fine thiangani haina rongwai naga youth organization manipurna section wafam thamlakli organization asi information secretary nangarang thadorkiba cherolamada thasi gi haukiba tangkul humdoida Parengbada pangthokiba joint tribe consultation gi mifamda kupna khanaraba matung khongtang asi lokhalakpani volunteer singna lambida check tobada gari singna kuki gi polam sing puramba thengnarabadi makoi gi mathakda thabak lokhatpaga loidana lesing yang khagi fine sutian gani amoromda hojik oriba fibam asida transporter amasung driver singna ahing athengbada chatanaba khangan baga loidana kariguma chatlam mathoklabadi wahang pahang toduna chuna bathabak lokhatkani hairi Imphal West District ki manung chanalaiba Pawak Chow High School la oza ahum utilize tawnaba tharakpagi manungda oza ani amu hanna kakhiba thawongbo yaning namba phongdok tranga si school asigi mairoi singna school sang solon sinduna khongjang changsin krai school asigi mairoi nupi macha mana phongdorakpada matam kayagi mamangdagi school asigi mairoi singna oza watpagi awaba mayok naduna lakli mairoi singi awaba khangbiduna handak education department oza ahum utilize roina tharakpadagi mairoi sing lairik ningthina tamba fanglagani khanduna harauna ke adubu yamna laibak thibadi ngarang education department gi director na oza ani Muhana school asidagi loktokiba asi karama wakhalono masina takpadi school ase tamliba mairoi singba education department na thawoi bidaduna mangla suyare haina khanba chap manare maram asina school asi khudaktagi so lonsin bagi khongjang asi mairoi singna lokhalakpani ozani asi amukhana school asida tharaktuba fawba so hangba yaroi kanagumana hanglamba thoklabadi maduda thoklakpa afafatagi daita so hanglamliba miyoi aduna pugadabani haina so fongdoke
Kaya gi mamangdagi school asida oza watpagi awaba mayokna duna lakliba mairoi ekhagi awaba khambiraduna oza hum amu hane class ana thabirake adubu ngarang julagi tang kun mangada school asidagi oza hum amu education department amu hana lakhoki ba karamba wakhalonda lakhoki bana masina takpadi school asida tamliba mairoi ekhoi mangla su yare haina khanba chap manare masina maram oraga ekhoi school asi khuda asida solon sinjare oza ani asi amu hana school asida thabirakringai mamangda so asi hanglam pathoklabadi so hangliba miyoi aduna school asida daika thumba pugada
Kabulaikai manakta laiba Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox Manipur ki headquarters sangasi pangthoki bami fam khanaraba matung lup asigi Thobal District Committee matam khara yoina dissolve tawkrai Fox ki Assistant Secretary Organization Sintha Laishram na thadoroki ba cherolamada Thobal District Committee dissolve tawki ba sigaloinara makhataba notice thoktuba fawba hana chanaramba letterhead amadi sil chanararoi Fox ka mari leinaba thabak thorom khudimak ngasidagi athing mathamle hari amaromda miyamda senthok lehenana ba pandamda skill development training sing makhatana pangthoki gani hari Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desamna Sinduna Jun Kungani Thoi pangthoki ba second state level environmental quiz competition lisingani kun manga da makok matang takraba mahiroi singi manamatum amadi consolation pricing ngasi enthokrai Tagela Laiva Kindergarten Montessori School gi conference hall da pangthokiba thoronga mari leinana Desam gi president Mayengbam Somorjina plastic ta gi thorakliba pollution asina mahausa gi khalda piri ba chaitheng asidagi ngakthok hoba mathau tai haina phongdokrai Mayingbam Somorjina Makataraduna, Mausagi Kal Kairak Panangasidi, Kangaudana ising ichaw thokpa, aying asagi fibam honglakliwasi, kanana buhonabada tungi yumbi oirakadoriba, mahiroi singda, plastic siyanabadagi thorakpa amangba sing adu, haujaktagi hauna tambi haurabadi, makoina, haying mapum phaba miyoema oiraklabam matamda, plastic siyanaba, hantanana bathodang kaya lokalakani. Loinana aikoina siyannakraba plastic ki polam kaya mafam chadana langthokpana pukri turelda takibadagi maduda sanga na chasilaba matung aikoina muk sanga sing adu charubadagi makhal makha kaya gi laina narakpa thengnari basi thingmangamnana ba aikoi puna honaminasi haiki
मियोबने हिंगबदे याम तोयन सिजिनरिबा प्लास्टिक हाइबा पोसिगी मनुंगदा वन टाइम यूज प्लास्टिक मैम सिना कोई फजना मैनेज तौदबदगी फिरेइबा एनवायरमेंटल पिरेइबा क्राइसिस कनोसी असौबा अमनी अदना हदक चही सु वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे सिदा कोई प्लास्टिक हाइबा मसी फजना मैनेज तौदबदगी फिरेइबा सिना मपुंग वरगा अंदा मालेम पुमगी पांगथोई देसामनसु कोई मसी याम कंसर्न ओइबा अमा ओइजै अदुगा यामनसु उबिबदुनी हदा इथाई बेरेसदा कोई इसिंग मथक्ता मी मैम अमा चटपा उठदब फाउगी चांग प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैम अखोई लेसनबगी पोतो अखोई मैम उनगरे अदना मसी यामना नांगनांगबा फिवम नेदना अखोइना मियोबने हिंगदा नोमदा सिजनबा प्लास्टिक मैम सी अखोइना सिजनरबा मतुंग फजना मैनेज तौबा प्रॉपर्ली रिसाइकल तौदना फजना मैनेज तौदा तारगदी मसी हेन फिवम दुसलकनी दना
New Delhi da India ke Adventure Sports ke Apex Podi Moiriva National Adventure Foundation NAF Manipur chapter ki director oina thopuna pa Dr. Kangabam Romeo Pukhalakrai NAF ki head office ta pangthokiba thormamada NAF ki hanagi executive director wing commander KK Verma amadi head office ki president lieutenant general Raman Dhawanna appointment order adu khusina khibani magna sanglaba chahi nifu roma sida kathokpa magaloinana adventure sports mountaineering amadi sports climbing da torakhiba thabak thoramda pungning thogot poina director gi thopuna na ba khalakibani Manipur Sports Climbing Association asing mathodang asigi dama NAF fu thagat pa phongdrok pagaloinana ma ki matung tarakpa thabak thoram singna yaifa pausal pirakli Panbayai Romeo House Department of Teacher Education Manipur University da faculty oibatanatara National Sports University Manipur gisu visiting faculty oina hagulakliba mairoi singamadi sanuri kyabu lamjing lamtakli Mark Housing Manipur Sports Climbing Association gisu president oina thaupuri haina maska gi secretary na thadok pachirol mana hairi Manipur People's Party MPP gi Kendra Committee singi President singi oiba mifamama party asigi conference hall dangarang pangthokre party asigi President S Brozena mayai tangbal loduna pangthokiba mifamaduna MPP bu henama pangal kalhanana makhanake masiga loinana district committee sing reorganization tawraga assembly constituency sing bu henama pangal kankarana ba warep sing sulauke Imphal district is Sajua Central Jail da Under trial oina lairiva Myanmar gi cookie sing state asigi cookie sing na namna khundaba district Kangpopi amasung Churachandpur leiba temporary prison camp sing the transfer to biu haina cookie organization for human rights trusts kohorna Manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Valada takshin krai Governor Pisin Kiba Cherolamada Housing Status the Tokliva Irang Asina Oriva Fiba Masida Makogi trial Chatavada Safanava Amasung Chunaba Mating Hangnanaba Makoi Bukugi Singna Namna Kundava Status Mafam Sing the Leva temporary prison camp sing the transfer to Wio Amaram the trial Loraba trial Loiduna jail the Levi Matam Surava Kuki Anibusu Atuba the Tadopio Makoi Makatana jail Tamjin Bahaibasu Lona Lobu Tugaibani Hairi Manipur Pumalem da Saktaklam Kiba Saknairava Theatre icon Ratan Thiam na Laikidavada Manipur Cultural Organization MCO gi Maikaidigi Awama Fongdorakle MCO gi President Kangzam Radhakumar Preside Toduna Uripok Talaiba Makyum Dangarang Pangtokiba Mifamamada Laikitrava Ratan Thiam gi Tawaina Lairam Lenda Ingna Chingna Lairuna Sarukya Kibastingna Minute Anitumina Leptuna Tony Zapakaloina Awaba Fongdoke Theatre Kaktana Tanara Tantiam na Manipur gi art form Makal Kayabu Malim gi Takta Pukhalam Bamadi Levaki Lurava issue kaya da Mangzil Thana Tabak Toduna Street ki Apun Migi Saktam Kaidanaba Honoramba Singshu Chingtaki Aroiba the Maruba Pausing Amakana Pizari Street ki thakta Kargil Vijay Divas Thoram Pangthokre Manipur Mausagi Punsi Hanjinaba Security Force amadi CSO Singapuna Thabak Tori Haina Governor AK Valana Hairi Manipur ki irang da Prime Minister Modi na state asida khongda da bagi mathakta ratan thiam na leiki da bada wafum ma da fongdok ta bahai basi Manipur ki miyam bu ikai bu pibin hai na Congress ki luching Jairam Ramesh na fongdorak lei amasong yam laban nong may maru yaw na kusukulay kya fagat pangamkray Manipur da ing tappa purak na security force na makata na tibong bagi tabag jak na kigani hai na ICP ke kabib na fongdokray Matanga sa bulletin na solution chari Manipur miyam ki punsida khwaidagi hena maroiba state asigi lebak asigi madi malanggi ipaw singi damag SKTV News po meeting tatun lebiyo kramjari